Here is a little video how to use Ultimate Plus system. So with magnetic we have a liquid Ultimate Plus, and packaging of this bottle is 200 ml, and we also have a bottle 100 ml. And we have three types of acrylic. It's UV clear, UV white and UV pink. This system doesn't have any odor, so it means that it's possible to use it in spa studios, in salons, and also at any place that actually smells, a strong smell is not allowed. I'm going to show to you how to use this product. So there are some little tricks and I'm going to explain it to you. First, what we should do, we have to prepare our nail, and then with prep and wipe I'm going to clean it. So this is my nail, it's already cleaned, and now I have a liquid in little dappen dish. I will put my brush into liquid. An idea to work with this system is that normally our bead has to be very, very dry. So usually when we are working with normal system, then this bit of acrylic would be just nice, but not with Ultimate Plus system. Then we have to take a bit more powder, and my bead should look like a snowball that with little particles of dry powder. So you see that it looks like a little hedgehog now. Before applying this to the nail, I have to put my product together with my brush on brush wipe, and I will count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will turn it off and will put this bead on my nail. I will clean my brush and will start applying my product. So you see that it's very easy to apply the product over the entire nail. And if you see that your brush is still sticking to the product, then clean your brush again on brush wipe. Then it will be much easier for you to apply product over the nail. And now I'm working with belly of my brush, and I'm pulling this product over the nail. So you see that this system we can use to reinforce the natural nail, I mean like for overlay, but also we can use it to create the structure. This system also is self-leveling system. You can see that here I started to have, once I stopped working, I started to have a highlights. So actually these highlights can tell me if I have good structure for my nail. If I want to fix something, then I will go and fix my sides, for instance. And then checking my highlights, I also can, as I said before, I can create the perfect structure that actually it won't be necessary to file too much. So, and then when it's done, I will put it into UV light for 2 minutes, and if I'm using twin light, then it will be 1.5 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I will take it from the lamp, and what I can see just a little part of sticky layer on the top of my product. Actually, it's not necessary to remove it with any liquid. We simply can file it off using the file. And you see that actually There is no much dust from that, and this is just rolling off from the surface. Then to finish this nail, you can use Supreme Finish or any top gel of your choice, or you also can cover on top of this gel polish the color you like. So you see that not so much dust. This product working really very good. And you also can buff it to a high shine to have the high gloss. And I will remove the dust. And then actually it's done. Then you can finish in the way you want. You also can use this product on a tip, you can use it on a nail form, you can use it as an overlay. And I told you already that we have 3 shades. This is clear, this is pink. Here I used UV pink shade. And we have UV white that we also can use to create a French. We have packaging with 35 grams and also with 70 grams. So I hope that you will enjoy working with this system, and I wish you a lot of good luck. Bye.